Oh, my stars, my muse, my snuggle bug, my absolute. Ever since our first meeting at SD Taproom, I've contemplated my potential paradise with you and fantasized over a life with you.
'Cause I wanna see it whenever I close my eyes. If I write it down and hold it close.
Josh, standing here today with you, I am filled with overwhelming gratitude for the love we share, a love that is marked by your unwavering care and thoughtfulness. You have shown me what it means to truly be loved and cherished, consistently going out of your way to make me feel special and appreciated.
Promise that you won't let me forget. Into the morning, chasing the light, sure as the day turns into night. Tell me it will always be.
That's when I knew that I was beyond love and that perfect day in Coronado had only been the beginning. That my body and soul had recognized you as my one, my person, my soulmate, my partner in crime, my partner in Mario Kart, please get better, my partner in Palisades, Pfeiffer, and Hand and Foot, and mostest of all, my partner in love and life.
When we're far from home and the winds get strong, know that I'll keep us steady no matter the road we're on.
I vow to laugh with you, cry with you, dance with you, live life with you. I vow to sit with you in the difficult times and stand with you in the great times.
Next to me, all I want is to be where we are.
I'm very happy this music is ruining the ambiance.
Tell me it will always be like.
You are my everything. I love you so deeply, and I'm so grateful I get to be here today with you and to promise to be yours for the rest of our lives. I will always love you mostest. I love you, honey.
I love you so much, Alyssa, and even if we die today, I would die the happiest person in existence, knowing that I got to meet you and love you for the amount of time that I did. For any amount of time with you, short or long, is all I need in my life to be fully complete. For what is a hunkosaurus without his spawn?
Oh my gosh. That was perfect.
Just like you, honey. I love you too.
Just like this.
Josh and Alyssa, by the power vested in me, may your lives together be filled with laughter, love, and endless happiness. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Josh, you may kiss your bride.
It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. All the little things, all the golden dreams. I just wanna be in a beautiful
As we got older, we would always ask Josh when he would get a girlfriend, and he always said something like, when the time is right, or when I get buff. So I'm guessing the time was right.
all the same.
I snotted all over your shirt and told you, take care of my girl. No one takes care of Alyssa the way you do, and I love you for that.
It's a beautiful life.
And so at the end of the day, I turned around to my husband and I said, I'm calling it now. This is it. She's the one.
Just wanna be in a beautiful life.
Josh, you can keep the title of Josh number 1 because at the end of the day, I don't disagree with that title at all because you've always been the greatest Josh to me.
Every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventures, every moment to remember, every sunset, every sun.
A couple years ago, we heard about this Navy guy named Josh, and I could tell that he was going to be someone special. And a few months later, we got to meet him, and we could see why she fell for him. He's a great guy.
She is the kindest, sweetest, hardworking, generous woman. And as a mother, all you want is somebody to love your son unconditionally.
All the golden dreams, I just wanna be in a beautiful life.
When we arrived, I have never met a happier version of Josh. All of our good times and all of our memories were dwarfed by just a few months with Alyssa.
Every sunset, every sunrise, every new